Yo guys, how are you doing and how was the weekend? I hope you guys had fun. It's the beginning of a new week, so let's forecast the market. First, we are going to be looking at the XY. This is the XY on the weekly time frame. You can see now this week I'm going to be looking for buy probably because the XY is currently in a key level. You can see it's in a key level, and that's on the weekly time frame. And on a daily time frame, I can also spot a reversal. Now, this is a break of structure here. Yeah, I need this one. We have a break of structure here, and this place is a strong swing. Now from this place, now we might probably be expecting the market to do something like this. Probably come to this place or come to 50% of this daily level before it continue to sell. So I will probably be looking for sales. I hope you understand. Let me go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, we have this 4-hour swing high here. Making this place is a 4-hour swing high because it sweep liquidity and then broke structure. You can see this is a high. This was a liquidity sweep, and this is a break. So the market might probably come to this place or this place and then sell. I hope we all understand. So that is all for DXY. Now let's go to GBP USD. So now this is Euro USD on the weekly time frame. Now we have this key level here. You can see it. We have this key level here, and Euro USD has already tested it, so probably next week we might be expecting a sell. Since we're expecting buy on the XY, we know that Euro USD will be selling. Okay, so and another thing is this long week to me, it's showing that the pair is weak. So that's my first confluence, is that it's in a supply level, and you can see I marked this level right from that zone. So next let's go to our 4 hours, and you can see on our 4 hours the market is already creating internal structure and they are all lower lows. So I'm expecting the market to do something like this and then probably come down this week. So that's just all for the XY GBP USD. So and all of that. So since the XY is selling, Euro USD I'm expecting since the XY is buying, Euro USD I'm expecting a sell, GBP USD I'm expecting a sell, and some other pair this week. That's what I'm expecting this week. Oh, let's look at gold. Lastly, I don't trade gold a lot. I do trade gold just once in a while. Now when I make my analysis, first thing I do is that I come to the weekly time frame and I mark the weekly highs and the weekly low. You can see. And next I go to the open and the close of the weekly candle. I hope you understand. I mark the open and the close. This is the close of last week and then the open. So I usually use purple for weekly. And after I do that, I then look for another key level where the weekly time frame, the weekly candle might possibly go and test. Okay, so like in this case, I'm expecting gold to maybe be bearish. I don't trade gold a lot because it has a lot of manipulation somehow. So this is 1 day time frame, and I can spot something, but this level sweeps liquidity here. You cannot see that's on the daily time frame. It swept liquidity and it broke structure. So you can see these are all internal, probably 4-hour structure. Swept this high and then broke structure. So tomorrow we might have a little sweep and then go down. So I'm expecting sales too on gold, and if the market goes the other way around, we look for the closest demand to buy. We all know supply and demand. I believe one thing, that the market moves from supply to demand and demand to supply. So that is all about this week. focus. So that's what I'm expecting from the market this week. If you have any other idea, you can share it in the comment section. I love you guys. Bye.